Hello and welcome to my workshop. Today we will do the inner door for the AZ Beehive. In the end it will look something like this. And to do that we need 2 jigs, preferably. One is the jig that I use for the lap joints. And to create this jig it's quite easy. You can do it better than this. In the end, you have a board that is exactly as thick as the one that you are doing the lap joint on. And you also have a space between the end and the holder for the board and support for the router. So what we will do with this is that we put up in the ends of the board under here, and then we will route away half of the thickness of the board. I also have another jig, and this is for glue up to get an exactly 90-degree angle on the glue. To fasten the net, I make a rabbet with the router around the inside of the frame and use small boards to fasten it with glue and nails. Show you that later. I also have 2 templates. One template that is a little bit bigger than the opening of the frame, and this is for cutting out the net. And then I have another one that is a little bit smaller, a couple of millimeters smaller than the rabbet that I routed before, to press down the net in the frame. So let's start. So we have cut our frame boards to length. The heights I use 250 instead of 252, and the length 370 instead of 372 to get a little bit margin, as wood are not always exact and we don't want the door to get stuck in the frame. So we use my lap joint jig and fasten the boards. I've noticed for this lap joint jig the boards have a tendency to slip away, so I put I fasten it a bit before I route it. And then I do the routing in 2 steps. And then I use this jig to glue everything together. See, it's perfect fit. And you get this one. And then we fix the net. So after the glue, we have glued the frame together. We do the rabbit inside the frame for the net. We use the Then we use the template to cut out the net. We get net that fits. And we take the smaller template to make edge to the net that fits in the groove. It's 0 degrees Celsius here today, so it's a bit cold. The metal mesh the metal net is a bit hard to work with, but not too difficult. So, and put a bit of glue in the glue. Then we'll place the net and use the template to press it down. That's why it should be a little bit smaller than the hole. And you take the small boards to fasten it. And these kind of clamps is perfect for this job. And then you just nail it down. and take away the excessive net. And almost finished. Now it's only the let it dry and sand it, and you get one of these. And we do the rest. So thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing so I can keep making videos like this. Till next time, happy beekeeping.